You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Yes. 4th of July weekend. Plus, it's my birthday. It's going to be a great weekend, right? Little lady says, we're going to Ohio to see the grandkids, as well as the daughter and the son-in-law. Take note of this map. Michigan is always above Ohio. So we find ourselves at this hotel in New Albany, Ohio. New Albany is kind of upscale area, very big houses, wealthy people. On the other hand, Christmas Day, this parking lot, there were about 7 cars where the windows were broken into overnight into Christmas morning. I was hoping that wouldn't happen here. Thinking of my birthday, I was hoping the little lady was going to get me this cooler. But you know what? Those dreams are all swept away. Now, Crystal had forgotten that it was my birthday. And I slipped, mentioning it was my birthday. And she said, we're going out. So, me, the little lady, my daughter, Crystal, her husband, and the 3 kids, we all went out to this place. They took us to the 101 Craft Kitchen. They had some great food, actually at great prices, and they had a bar. None of us ordered alcohol, but the kids did have lemonade, and all 3 of them also had chicken tenders, Parmesan fries, watermelon, and a chocolate chip cookie. Little lady, I think she had some insight about what was going to happen because she ate light with the Mediterranean salad, which looked great. Me, I went all in and had the Kahlua pulled pork sandwich, slow roasted pork. There was no smoke flavor, but it did have the huli huli sauce and mango slaw on a brioche bun. That was it for the 101 Craft Kitchen. We went to the Little Lady's Soft Serve, and has nothing to do with the little lady. It's about the little ladies. They sell ice cream. This business was once a food truck. Yeah, the food truck is still running, but now they got their own establishment, and it's pretty cool. Very nice inside. They got their little logo here, and they got some fun wall art. Very nice, very popular place. Here's the menu, and if you look at these are sundaes here. So all these sundaes are all named after like family members, I guess, and friends or whatever. But the one that caught my eye was the Lola. And if you know any Tagalog or from the Philippines or anything about it, Lola means grandmother. Simple as that. So I had it. Now this marshmallow, that cup, let's start with the cup. The cup is not small. That's a big cup. That marshmallow is huge. I put it in my mouth. All 3 of them grandchildren, they all just started laughing at me. They loved it. A little sidebar. Man, what a birthday. Crystal ordered me these rubs, the Fab 5. Very nice. So after the ice cream, the day wasn't over. I was stuffed. Ice cream, I had the Lola, and I had that pulled pork sandwich in me, and breakfast from the hotel. And that was a lot of eggs I ate there. So Crystal decided we were going to go to a brewery. We went to the Henmick Farm and Brewery in the Columbus area. And it's kind of out in the country though, very nice. Kids were welcome there. They could play around and stuff like that while adults were drinking some beer. Mostly an older crowd there because they weren't playing younger crowd music. But it was very nice to be there. Very nice setting. Cornfields around the place. Very kind of nice area. Yeah, I had a great time. I don't think I've ever eaten so much food in my life. I want to thank you all for watching, and catch me next time. I'm Polly. I'm out.